guys, welcome back to another video. We are back in waterfall country. We're doing the Four Waterfalls Trail. This is not something I've done before. We actually did some hiking just south of us with the Waterfall Trail where I managed to crash my drone. But we're here, we're going to see how good these waterfalls are because there's not much water around right now. So hopefully they're decent. Wow, I can tell this one, like literally, as soon as we're walking, this is the turnoff, and it's coming straight out of a cave. Oh my giddy aunt. What freaking nuts is this? Oh my gosh. Wow, so this isn't waterfalls, this is where the river the river's underneath the cave. I'm assuming this is where the cavers come, because we just saw some. But, wow, it's getting a little bit wet. Oh my god. This is freaking incredible, guys. Wow, this is really slippery rock, but so this is where the river comes out from underneath that cave. What an absolutely incredible location. This cave is just blowing my mind. It looks beautiful to swim in, but they do have warnings that people have drowned in here, so obviously it's not something where you just want to go in there. Although I would suggest that this spot right here would be a nice swimming spot. But wow, what an incredible find. I was not expecting this. I was just expecting waterfalls on this walk, to be fair. Wow. So guys, we're gonna have to turn back from these caves. It came down to the river, just let the dogs have a play. But this trail does not take us all the way to the waterfalls, so we're having to go back and pick up the other trail and to the waterfalls. So I might grab a drink while I'm at it though, because I didn't bring anything and I'm already hot. We might not be walking by the water yet, even though we've seen some of the water, but some of these views are absolutely fantastic. It's obviously been logged through here, but they've left some trees, but yeah, the views are stunning. I'm really looking forward to getting down to the water though. We're at the turnoff for the first waterfall. Unfortunately, it's a lot of strenuous steps to get down, like 70 steps to Sigud I Era. I think that's how you pronounce it. But if we're gonna be here, we may as well do all 4 waterfalls, right? No point in missing one. Oh God, we all know how much I love steps, especially after hiking, backpacking for 2 days up steep mountains. Oh, feeling it, that's for sure. stunning, stunning waterfall. I don't think we're going to try and get around back, although there is a path that goes underneath, but I'm not wearing the right shoes for it. How gorgeous this is, wow. Worth 70 odd steps to come down here, even if they are 3 feet tall. Wow. Definitely worth it if you can get down here. So as much as that waterfall is amazing, now they've got the uphill slog with massive steps to get up, which I hope Cody does alright with. They're big, and they're not 3 feet, but they're not small. Alright, so we're dropping down on the green path to get a better view of the falls. You can follow the rail trail along and you can still see the falls, but this one gets you up close and personal. However, it's a lot more rocky, a lot more difficult, so just be prepared for that. So far the top trail has been mostly scooter or wheelchair accessible for the most part. Steps, yay! So we're coming up to our second waterfall, which is Sigurd y Panur. I think that's how it's pronounced. Please forgive my Welsh pronunciation. I have absolutely no idea how they use L's and Y's and W's and things like that, and double letters. So, but we're coming down to the second one, so we'll show it to you when we get there. This is just the top of the waterfall. Look at this, it's kind of folding off sideways. And at the far end you can see the main waterfall. But how incredible is this? Wow. Nuts. Don't want the dogs to get too close to the edge, of course. Guys, this is absolutely insane. Absolutely freaking insane. Not bringing lunch, this would be an amazing lunch spot. So if you're going to do this, take a day to do it. Bring your lunch, bring some water for the dogs. You can bring your bathing suit if it's a hot day. Absolutely incredible, this spot right here. The erosion along this riverbank, you can really see it now behind me. It's just incredible. It's been scored with potholes, and you know that there's a whole bunch of sinkholes, or not sinkholes, but pools where there's water been left after higher waters. It wasn't that long ago because a lot of these are still full. What an absolutely incredible place! I'm just lost for words. And then there's also just opposite here, we got a little bit of a landslide. That would have been spooky to see, I think. So anyway, we're gonna head on to the next one, see if I can mess up the pronunciation of that one. Oh my god, guys, this is the most It's better and better, but different. We've got 3 layers, almost 4 layers of this waterfall. You can see it behind me right here. We're gonna climb, not up this, but get to the top of this, have to get where those people are. What an absolute stunning location. God, I'm just running out of words. Oh, this path was a challenge coming up here. Got to keep wanting to go down. I'm not sure the descent gets any easier. I mean, we're going up river, which is a slow climb versus what everybody else is at the other end. But man, oh my gosh. Holy crap, I hadn't seen this part. Oh my god. I just gotta take 5 minutes and take this all in. So onward and upward, so aware of the edge here. There's sheer drops straight into waterfalls that, you know, one wrong step, it's not so much me, the dogs, they just don't think about edges. They just don't think about them at all. So we're heading upwards, away from this waterfall. We've got one more waterfall to check out. All right, Cody, here we go. Come on. An amazingly challenging, difficult route, but I must admit I'm really glad we've done it in this direction. Going down some of that might have been ever so slightly easier for Cody, but it would have been a lot more, I think a lot less fun, because I like climbing, even if I got to shove them up by their butts. But man, this is absolutely incredible. I know I keep saying that, but it's true. What an amazing place. Alright guys, this is our last waterfall, Sigurd Clun Gwyn, and amazing is that. Just nearly not as dramatic as the other 3 that we've seen. What an adventure that was. Highly recommend, definitely do the green side. Even if you only got one limb. That guy that jumped into the pool, he managed to do all of that with a prosthetic limb, so doable by anyone, more or less. So we're gonna head back to the car. This has been one incredible day. If you guys feel like supporting the channel at all, I'll put a link down to my shop below, which carries a lot of my merchandise, t-shirts like this. I carry either Will Their Hope Adventures t-shirts or Find Your Adventure Story t-shirts, and a whole lot of other things like mugs, mouse mats, etc. So go have a look, I'll put a link in the description. Please go ahead and support the channel if you care to, and get something out of it for yourself. And as always guys, thanks for watching and take care.